Okay, we have a Fadal vertical machining center model VMC 6535-4T-HT. This machine's high torque. Serial number 012004127-216. This machine was new in 2005 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a Fadal 32 MP CNC control with rigid tapping, 422K memory, remote jog handle. Right now we are running, that's a 500 in the low. It goes up to 10,000 RPM. That's a 40 taper spindle, Cat 40. 1200 in the low. You have a 24 tool ATC side mount. Shifting to the high gear. 3,000 RPM, machine's super quiet. 4,500 RPM. Machine has a 75 by 35 inch table working surface with 65 inches of X travel, 35 inches of Y, and 34 inches of Z. 6,000 RPM. Machine has also coolant and coolant through the spindle with a chip blaster unit. We're simulating a tool change. Another. Great. I'm going to jog a few axes. You have telescopic weight covers on the X, Y, and Z. That's your Y. Again, that's 35 in the Y and 65 in the X. That's your X. And you have a drilled in tapped plate on top of the T-slotted table. Machine also does have boxways all axes. And that's your Z. Okay, you've seen X, Y, and Z, you've seen a tool change, and you've heard the spindle. Hey, thank you for watching our video.